Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to VPS using VS Code Remote-SSH detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Visual Studio Code on your computer. Ensure you have the Remote-SSH extension installed. You can find this extension in the extensions view by clicking on the extensions icon in the activity bar on the side of the window. Search for Remote-SSH in the extensions marketplace. Once found, click on Install to add the extension to your VS Code environment. After installation, locate and click on the green icon in the lower left corner of the screen. Select Remote-SSH, Connect to Host. From the drop-down menu, a prompt will appear asking for the SSH connection details. Enter the SSH connection string in the format username at hostname. Replace username with your VPS username and hostname with your VPS IP address or domain name. After entering the connection string, press the Enter key. If it is your first time connecting, you may see a prompt asking to confirm the authenticity of the host. Type Yes to proceed. Next, you will be prompted to enter your VPS password. Type your password and hit Enter. In some cases, you might need to provide the path to your private SSH key. Make sure your private key is located in a secure location on your computer. To specify the private key, enter the flag I followed by the path to your key file. For example, use the command sshi/path/ to /your /private key username at hostname. Once connected, you will see a confirmation message, and your VS Code environment will switch to the remote server. You can now open folders and files directly on your VPS. Leverage the integrated terminal within VS Code for executing commands on your remote server. To open the terminal, navigate to View Terminal from the top menu. You can now work on your files as if they were local. To disconnect from the VPS, simply click the green icon in the lower left corner again. Select Close Remote Connection from the menu. Your local instance of VS Code will return to its regular state, and you will be disconnected from the VPS. Enjoy your seamless development experience with VPS and Visual Studio Code Remote-SSH. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.